Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Stuart Victor Echo 9 Charlie Foxtrot, and we're heading out to play some portable ham radio today. It is June the 1st and the first day of our June special event that the Atlantic Coast DX and Contest Group does. Every single month we honor a special event, and this month we're honoring the legacy of Art Dobson and the 65th anniversary of the Dobson Trail, which is the longest volunteer maintained trail in Canada. It stretches from Riverview, New Brunswick to the Bay of Fundy. We're going to Riverview today and setting up in the parking lot. The bands don't look too hot, so we'll see what we can do to get started at. We gotta get more coffee first before we go. All right, so we got our coffee. We're heading to the Riverview trailhead of the Dobson Trail. Brand new World Wide Flora Fauna location. I don't have the exact number. We'll put that on the screen later when we get there. But it's part of the Trans-Canada Trail, so the POTA folks can get their Trans-Canada Trail fixed, and part of the Fundy biosphere, so it's a twofer for POTA. Anyway, we're gonna head down to Riverview and put our special event, Victor Charlie 9 Delta Tango stroke portable. So by the time you watch this video, the special event may be done by the time I get around to editing videos, but you'll get 2 points if you work Victor Charlie 9 Delta Tango from here, and 3 points if you work me portable. And you'll get a certificate at 10 points and a gold certificate at 20 points. And so instead of making it contacts on 3 bands, we're going to do points on this month with the Victor Charlie 9 Delta Tango. So we're heading out, and with all, as being always, is the one and only King Archie. He's going in the field today. You ready to go, Arch? Not saying much. Okay, let's go. Yeah, so our goal here during June is to get out a few times from different worldwide flora and fauna locations across the Dobson Trail. There's a few wilderness areas and other parks like the Fundy National Park and Provincial Park, I think. Also Trans-Canada Trail. There's a couple of protected areas. We went out and looked a couple weeks ago before Truckee had its power steering issue. Actually, the Truckee's power steering issue happened on our reconnaissance trip to one of the protected areas. There's the Posser Lookout Point, and we want to see if we can get to. There's a few other parking areas along the trail. So our goal is to get out there as many times as we can this month of June and put the different flora and fauna locations on from the Dobson Trail. And you just honor the legacy of Dr. Art Dobson, who built the trail. And I went to an information session at Mountain Equipment Co-op a few weeks ago and learned about the trail and all that stuff. And they would never be able to build that today with all the bureaucracy and hierarchy that people and the hoops people have to jump through. Back then, when they built it, everything was a handshake, and that's still true today. And of course, the Dobson Trail is 65 years old this year, and they're doing all kinds of little celebrations. And this is our way, the Atlantic Coast DX and Contest Group's way, to just pay tribute to the work from Art Dobson and all the volunteers that maintain the Dobson Trail. It is from watching all the happenings with the Dobson Trail, it's a huge undertaking. They just re-signed all the trail with the new Trans-Canada signs, Trans-Canada Trail signs. They've done a lot of work, and the volunteers put countless hours in to maintaining the trail. So this is our little way of saying thank you and all the appreciation by putting this special event on the air, putting certificates out, and honoring the legacy of Dr. Art Dobson. And there is actually a ham in the air. I think it's Victor 9 Whiskey Tango, who is very active, or not. I would say he was somewhat active on Parks on the Air. Does some hunting, and I got the chance to meet him at the information session at Mountain Equipment Co-op. Anyway, we're on our way. It's a 40-minute drive to Riverview from St. Antoine here, so let's put the phone down, the camera down, and let's get trucking. We'll see you guys at the trailhead for the Dobson Trail. Everyone, welcome to the Dobson Trail here, the trailhead here in Riverview. We're here at one of the 2 parking spots here in Riverview. Established in 1960, 58 kilometers down that trail to Fundy National Park. It's part of the Trans-Canada Trail system, and we're not going to go hike it today. We're going to play some radio. But Dobson Hiking Trail, established 1960, completely supported by volunteers. 65th anniversary this year. 58 Ks, and here's another plaque here. The elected to commemorate the first one from the 35th anniversary of the Dobson Trail. So 30 years ago, blazed in 1960 by Dr. Art Dobson in collaboration with local community group. So that's the 30th anniversary, or 35th anniversary plaque. And there's a sign over here. We'll walk across the parking lot here to that commemorates the 65th anniversary of the Dobson Trail. I just kind of stumbled upon this just by fluke researching anniversaries in New Brunswick, because our club, or our group, I'm not going to say club, our group really likes to do special events. So here's the Dobson Hiking Trail 65th anniversary, 1960 to 2025. Part of the Trans-Canada Trail System, Parks Canada, part of the City of Moncton, Riverview. And here's our Trans-Canada Trail sign. He just put all these up not too long ago. So Archie's mimicking around over there. Anyway, we're going to get our radio set up. I think we'll run the NFED halfway today and see what we can do. I'm just trying to figure out what's the best way to do this. Again, we don't want to be too much in the way. Let me get a compass bearing here and we'll get set up. So we got the NFED half wave up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Princess Auto 10 poles, 24 feet. We lost our little 1 foot because the bottom of the support fell out. So, hey, that's good. Gives us some support. We get the NFED halfway running over to that tree. We're going to work from inside the truck because it's a little breezy today. And we'll work from inside the truck. Oh, look at this. I found some 20 cents right here. Put those in truckee. We'll get our 20 cents. If you see my other video where we went to the cocaine pop star and got our refund. Yeah, so we're here at the Dobson Trail. Let's get set up inside the truck. I'm not worried about the rack challenge points and all that because you know what? I don't care about the rack challenge from a point perspective anymore. I'll do it, but I'm not worried about the points. I'll let Ernest and Rich fight that one out. I'm just going to do ham radio for the fun and enjoyment and put some World Wide Flora Fauna and POTA sites on the air. All right, let's get rocking and rolling here, folks, and I'll give you all the pertinent information here in a sec. The sun's threatening to come out a little bit there. It's not supposed to rain today, so that's a good. That's good. It's gonna be windy though. As of right now, this location is still on. This is a Parks on the Air location as well. So we'll get that on the air with Parks on the Air too. But our primary focus is VEFF, of course. There's Gunning, I think this is Gunning Road or something. Anyway, it's one of the major roads here in Riverview. And it's easy to get into here. Just come to the second parking lot if you want to activate this spot. The first one, I didn't find any good spots to put the NFED halfway up. But yeah, this is good. This is a good little spot. The power lines there, I hope they're not going to cause too much of a problem. We'll see when we get everything fired up. All right, so we're at Victor Echo Fox 4764, brand new on Flora and Fauna. So let's get rocking and rolling. We got Polo ready to go. They got the new spotting page for as well for Flora and Fauna Day. So let's get a clean frequency and let's get going here. Is the frequency in use? Is this frequency in use? Victor Charlie 9 Delta Tango Portable. Calling CQ Parks, Victor Charlie 9 Delta Tango Portable. Kilo 8 India Kilo Oscar, brand new park, my friend. Park contact number 1, 5 and 9.
Roger, good morning, 59 Ohio.
Thank you, 73 Victor Charlie 9 Delta Tango Portable.
Kilo 9 India Charlie Papa.
Kilo 9 India Charlie Papa. Good morning, Bruce, 5 and 9.
Roger, 59 Indiana.
Thank you, 73 Victor Charlie 9 Delta Tango Portable. Victor Charlie 9 Delta Tango Portable.
Kilo Quebec 4 Romeo Echo Lima.
Kilo Quebec 4 Romeo Echo Lima. You're 5 and 9.
It's 59 Alabama.
Thank you, 73 Victor Charlie 9 Delta Tango Portable. Victor Charlie 9 Delta Tango Portable. Yes, can I get your call in phonetics, please? Give me your call in phonetics. CQ Parks, Victor Charlie 9 Delta Tango Portable. Victor Charlie 9 Delta Tango Portable. Okay, is it Alpha Golf 5, Alpha Charlie?
Alpha Golf 5, Alpha Zulu.
Okay, really, yeah, it really helps if you give me in phonetics. 5 and 9. Alpha Golf 5, Alpha Zulu, you're 5 and 9.
You're 5 and 7 in the North Texas.
Thank you. 7-3. Victor Charlie 9, Delta Tango, stroke portable.
Kilo Zulu 4, Charlie Papa.
Kilo Zulu 4, Charlie Papa. Good morning, Brandon. 5 and 9.
Roger, 5 and 5. Thank you, sir.
7-3. Thanks. Victor Charlie 9, Delta Tango, portable. The K index is 7. Just to let you know how bad the bands are, K index is 7 right now.
Victor Charlie 9 Mobile, KA4 RHA Mobile.
The K4, the Kilo 4, CQ 20 meters, CQ 20 meters from Victor Charlie 9, Delta Tango, stroke portable.
Yeah, 8 Delta.
Hotel India 8, Delta, 5 and 9.
Hotel India 8 Delta, 5-1, 5-1 Stewart, QSL.
Roger, roger. Thanks, David. 5 and 9, 59, over.
QSL, 5-1 Stewart.
Thank you, 7-3. Good luck. Victor Charlie 9, Delta Tango, portable. Yeah, the bands are pretty lousy. K index is 7 right now. I wanted to go on FT8, but I left all my FT8 stuff at home. Oh well. Still gotta tough it out on voice. CQ 20 meters, CQ 20 meters. This is special event station. Victor Charlie 9, Delta Tango, stroke portable. A lot of calling CQ today. A lot of calling CQ. 36 QSOs. CQ 20 meters, CQ 20 meters. Victor Charlie 9, Delta Tango. Victor Charlie 9, Delta Tango, stroke portable. This will be one of those get my 50 and we're out of here days. CQ 20 meters, CQ 20 meters. Victor Charlie 9, Delta Tango, stroke portable. Got some youngins there doing something. Looks like they're changing a tire. Portable. Victor Charlie 9, Delta Tango, portable. Okay, everyone. What a horrible day on the bands. The bands were just brutal. The K index was 7 for a long time there. We managed to squeak out about 145 QSOs though on 20 and 40. We had a good run on 14.247 for a while. Then the band starts getting really noisy. And Len was out in Nova Scotia, and I think I got him in the log. I heard him. He said he didn't hear me. I put him in the log anyways. Yeah, it was just not a good day on the bands. Not a good day on the bands. But that's the way it goes sometimes. That's the way it goes sometimes. Anyway, the first day of our special event here for honoring Art Dobson, Dr. Art Dobson, and his vision, or what he's done with the Dobson Trail, 65 years in the making. Well, it's been around for 65 years. And the NFED halfway did his job. I forgot my tuner, so I couldn't go on the work bands, but we managed. I think I did okay for crappy band conditions. Anyway, this is the first day of the month of June, and we got the whole month to honor the legacy of Art Dobson and the 65th anniversary of the Dobson Trail. So we'll have more videos around this for sure. Okay, I got all my junk in the truck here, by the way. I got the BB7V, and I got the ground elements for the ATOS. The ATOS in the back seat of the truck. I got the buddy pole back there. We're gonna go and hit a few parks. So I think we're gonna go pretty hard this month. I've kind of laid back. I laid back this for a bit. I don't know. My mind was all over the place on what I wanted to do. And reality is, I just love portable ham radio. I just hate the bullshit that goes with Parks on the Air and all these other organizations. So you just got to strip all that crap away and not worry about it, and let other people worry about the bullshit. Sorry about my cussing for you people that don't like cussing, but that's the way it is. I cuss sometimes, not all the time. Sometimes. Anyway, 140-ish, 145-ish QSOs in the books. I'm happy with it. We're gonna pack up and head back to San Antoine. I gotta grind some meat. And I got my stepdaughter coming over with the grandkids today. So I get to play granddad for a little bit today. Anyway, 7-3 everyone. We'll see you guys in our next video honoring Mr. Dobson and his legacy here, what he's done in New Brunswick. Talk to y'all later, everyone. See ya.